Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2658th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never, ever, ever trade without putting in protective stops. Put them in first before you enter into any positions. All right. For trading on Friday, October 27, 2023. If you've been following my videos since Tuesday night, I showed you long-term analysis, and I said we will not know if it pans out till Friday's close because it's on weekly charts. It's only Thursday. We don't know what they're going to do, but I did show you that they were running into support on the weekly charts. Friday afternoon, today, well, tomorrow, because I'm filming this on Thursday night. Friday afternoon, when the markets close on the weekly bars, we will see what kind of bar is left. And then we'll see if it held support or not. For day trading, the OMNI has waved me off of almost all indices, told me, okay, back off, no more selling. I only have one index, it's going to let me in. We'll talk about that. But for now, here's what I wanted to show you. Not only on the weekly charts that we've seen all week long are we testing support, but that big drop today in S&P brought us right to the bottom of this massive channel, which has provided support, right? Again, support. Again, here it is testing to see if it's going to find support. So the weeklies are testing support. The dailies just got down to support on Thursday. And there's a nice big old fat report coming out on Friday. That's E-mini S&P. Also, I'm being waved off in my NASDAQ. So the OMNI's waving me off from trading NASDAQ. All right, let's look at it though. Look what NASDAQ just did. I'm sorry, this line, I don't know why that's there. Look what NASDAQ just did. Like the S&P worked its way to the bottom of the channel. Just like the weekly support is being tested, now you've got daily support being tested. And then if we look at the Russell 2000, you've got the same sort of action that took place here. Look, you got right down to the bottom of the channel. Interesting, right? Now, I don't want to go over all the weekly charts again. You've seen them all. We'll look at those after the close on Friday. The daily charts have started bouncing. Now the OMNI has told me to stay out of Russell, S&P, NASDAQ. But it did not tell me to stay out of the mini Dow. And let's go take a look. If you remember in last night's video, I showed you this chart. I said this is not only consolidation that wants to take out the stops below the lows down here. I expect that there'll be stops below the low here and the low here. But that this is a bear flag and it should react lower. I showed that to you on Wednesday night for Thursday. That is what happened on Thursday. And stops have been hit so far. Maybe there's more because this is the only OMNI. Well, this is the only market the OMNI wants me to be in. The mini Dow, actually, the YM. So I'm going to give the YM a shot. And that's the one that the OMNI will allow me to trade today. The other ones I've been waved off of. Very good reasoning why it should continue lower. Probably more stops under here. The flag is already working. Let's see what's going to happen. You can join me at livewithoscar.com in my free chat room, and we can work these trades together tomorrow. Now, don't forget about gold. Gold should be this chart right here. Gold. OMNI went neutral. OMNI's been bullish, 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 and went neutral. Now, if you remember, right around the day the war started, we offered targets. What first target would be 1845. The market literally raced up and nailed 1845 right there. That was your 1845 run. Came off. I gave a new target of 2009, and it went right to 2009, which was the high of this day. Right here. Then it backed off a little, and I've offered a third target, really a third and a fourth, but I'm only showing those at livewithoscar.com if you join me in my free live chat room. So join me there. You can just go to livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required. You will create a username and a password. You will get an email. It will likely go to spam. Check your spam. answer the email, and boom, you could move right into my live trading room. This one is my live trading room right here. I can wave to you. When I'm not on camera doing a video like this for you, I actually have two cameras in here. One of them is facing me so you can see me and we can speak, and I can answer questions for you. So join my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. It's very easy to join, and I hope to see you there. So I'll tell you about my gold targets if you show up in the room. But gold has gone neutral. That the Omni has gone neutral. That allows Oscar to be Oscar, and I will do what I see fit for trading gold on Friday. I'll also tell you about that trade if you join me at livewithoscar.com. Barring that, kids, let's see what's going to happen. Long-term analysis being weekly charts, testing support. Short-term analysis being daily charts, testing support. And the big report coming out tomorrow. We'll see what that amounts to, and then keep your eyes on gold. I think it still moves higher, even if you got to buy a dip. Thanks for tuning in. Good luck trading out there. Remember, no emotions in trading, right? Say this with me, kids. It'll help you out, I promise you. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop sorting. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, kids. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. I will see you there.